Hi, do you know which house is this? For the people who don't know, this is Villa Planchart, designed by the famous architect Gio Ponti. Near the 1930s, Armando Planchart surprised his wife buying a large piece of land at the Hacienda San Roman. This one was going to be the place for their new home. They chose the famous architect and Domus magazine editor Gio Ponti to design their new house. The Italian architect asked his new clients which were their wishes with the future design. Anala was the first to answer this question. She said that she wanted a house without walls and where she could see the Avila from every corner. By the other hand, Armando told him that he wanted a space to show his hunting trophies and his orchids collection. With those characteristics, Ponti started to think the project right away. Every day he sent letters with explanations and drawings, consulting the Plancharts for every single aspect of the house. Finally, one day the plans and the scale model arrived by mail. Armando and Anala Planchart were so happy that they decided to start building the house. The house went from drawing to reality, and in 1957 the house became the Planchart's home. Now, let's talk about the house. First, it is located in the San Roman urbanization in Caracas, Venezuela. Also, it's placed on a hill, so the house has an uninterrupted 360 view of Caracas. Villa Planchart, also called El Cerrito, has a terrain of 2 acres, and in it we can find the parking place, gardens, and obviously the house. It has a rectangular form, but with wedge-shaped corners to resemble a butterfly. All the spaces are sorted around the center of the house, where there is an indoor garden and an amazing roof opening. The structural part of the house was built with reinforcement concrete columns and brick walls. We also can see ashlar masonry retaining walls in the patio. Non-bearing walls were made with concrete shell construction method on the outside of the house. These ones gives the appearance of a floating house, especially at night. For the completion of the house, Ponti used all kinds of materials. He used wood, marble, and granite for the floors and the walls. He used steel and wood for the furniture. And with the use of steel-framed windows, he accomplished the wish of Anada to be witness of the nature and the Avila at all times. Ponti tried to create his biggest masterpiece. He not only designed the structure of the house, his designs went from the house plan to the wall paintings, furniture, tablewares, and more. Villa Planchart is the conjunction of art, design, and technology. The ingenious art, nature, and innocence can easily transport you to the modern living style of the 50s. That's why El Cerrito is called today the jewel of Gio Ponti's work, and a living well-tasted piece of art.